So we're currently at a well documented, well photographed place, and it's one of the old mines here in Cornwall, probably one of the most famous ones, and it's looking pretty damn good.
It is.
Take me away from home, away from
So just down the road from where we stayed last night, a famous landmark on the North Cornwall coast, one of the old mines, and it's yeah, it's really pretty. If we get a burst of sun, it will light up, but until then.
The former tin mine Wheal Coates is situated on the cliff tops between Porthtowan and St Agnes on the north coast of Cornwall. The most recognisable feature is the Tow and Ruth engine house, built in 1872 when Wheal Coates reopened after a long period of inactivity. Although the engine house signified a major investment in the mine, it did not pay off. The mine was forced to close 3 times between 1872 and 1889, and in 1914 it closed its doors for the final time. It is perhaps the most beautiful industrial heritage site in Cornwall. Owned by National Trust, there is a car park off Beacon Drive just a short walk from the engine house. Costs are £2, £4 or £8 depending on your length of stay.
So this is really impressive here, really like it. Just making my way back to the car park to put some more money in, unfortunately. But this is if the picture comes out here, guys, it's been taken a million times before, but wow, wow, wow. And with that park up, you can easily get here. So Wheal Coates is definitely worth a visit, especially if you're into your photography. You could stay in that park up just over in the back there that we've seen, that we used last night, and then come down here for a day of photography, and that's what we've got now. Claire wants to stay longer, so I'm making my way back to the car park at Wheal Coates to put some more money in the machine. So as well as that car park, as well as that parking space we used last night, if you don't like the idea of wild camping, then dead opposite this place is a camping and caravanning club site which you're able to use, and I'll put that on the map as well so you can find it. Dead opposite the National Trust car park. I thought while I'd come back here to pick some more camera stuff up and pay the parking, I'd quickly make us both a brew. So I know Claire's feeling a little bit chilly out there, so yeah, I'm getting in her good books. Things you do for love, eh? So, am I in your good books?
She came back with tea and tonics.
that's it folks for this particular location. We've had a great great morning out, so I think it's time to pack up, get back in the van and follow this coast round to St Ives.
I hear the songs above my head, they are nearly faded. Every day I'm unafraid to be the last who made it.
Where are we?
Oh no, we're at St Ives.
Known for its surf beaches and art scene, St Ives is known as the jewel in Cornwall's crown. A bustling and picturesque fishing harbour and seaside town, it was voted Best Family Holiday Destination by Coast magazine and is one of TripAdvisor's top 10 European beaches.
So this place is brilliant. Simply brilliant. Love it.
Steeped in history, St Ives was named after St Aya, who travelled from Ireland on a leaf in 400 AD. Today, visitors can enjoy the many boutique stores, art galleries and eateries, as well as the traditional seaside activities on the lush golden sand beaches and crystal clear waters.
Nice knocker. So what a lovely place. Now if you're familiar with Cornwall, you'll tell me that this is one of many, I'm sure, but from what we've seen so far, St Ives is absolutely gorgeous. The streets are old and full of loads of chintzy little shops and bits and pieces like that. Just real good vibe about the place. Love it. Absolutely great decision to come here for the afternoon. We've had something really nice to eat. We treated ourselves in a restaurant. Claire had mussels and chips, which I thought were horrible, and I went real exotic with my belly pork and barbecue pizza. It was really great.
Meat feast pizza.
Meat feast pizza, but it was really nice. So we'll have a little walk around here and then back to the van, unfortunately. But this is a place yeah, you can see why it's a holiday destination.
It is full of tourists, but it's got character.
Yeah.
I think that's what it's retained, isn't it?
Yeah.
Its charm and its character.
And that goes for St Ives too, not just me. St Ives
You're
too.
full of charm and character.
Full of charm and character. Back to the car park on the top of the hill at St Ives. Don't try and get down to the bottom of the town there, guys, in anything big. It gets very busy. But there's a bus directly opposite this car park. It's almost like a park and ride system they do here. £1.50 each way. So, but it saves you a hell of a walk uphill. Let me tell you that for nothing. So yeah, that's back at the car park. Now we've got to go and try and find something to park for the night.
When I sound the drums of war, unable to admit it, you were weren't there to fill my home, to gain a sense of fairness. Turn to stone, but when it comes to love, we're not alone.
Where are we?
Cornwall,
What are we on?
a site.
A what site?
A camping site.
Why are we on a camping site?
I need a shower.
We've come onto a site for two reasons, to be fair. The first being Claire obviously needs a shower.
We need showers.
Okay, we need showers. And the second, I've got to get some editing done, otherwise you're not going to get any videos. Oh, the sound of the kettle boiling, which is really nice. Anyway, we didn't know we was going to stumble across a campsite. We come down to look at a lighthouse. Yeah, no, another lighthouse. However, as we was coming down the road, saw a caravan and camping site. It's only two people on it. We're the third. And we thought we'd give it a go. It's got composting toilets and outdoors showers, so I'm looking forward to that. Claire's going to try them out first.
Gonna be freezing.
Outside showers, yeah, it is going to be really cold. But yeah, we need the opportunity to do some editing. Well, I need the opportunity to do some editing, and this is a pretty damn good spot, to be fair, guys. But this is the view. I don't know if you can just make out the lighthouse, which is just over there. So we're pretty happy with that, and like I say, we just need to stop for a day, maybe two even. Get some editing done, just relax, chill out. There's opportunities here to take pictures as well. I can see an old tin mine in the background there, the lighthouse here, and guys, just round that bend is Land's End.
Sometimes I miss my